Not all superheroes wear capes. Introducing Breville the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This super convection cuts cook time by 30%. 6 quarts Elements IQ system ensures precise heat control. This air fryer empowers you to air fry French fries and other favorite foods with ease. Dehydrate a wide range of food, up to 4 trays of goodness at once. High temperature plus super convection equals crispy air fry. Get ready for a kitchen upgrade that's as friendly as it is spacious. With an extra large capacity oven, you'll have room for all your culinary adventures. Toast 9 slices of bread, roast up to a 14-pound turkey, air fry crispy French fries, and simmer delicious stews in a 5 QT Dutch oven. Plus, it's perfect for most 9 by 13-inch pans and 12-cup muffin trays, giving you endless options for tasty treats. With this oven, making pizza is as easy as pie. Create delicious cookies effortlessly with this oven's intuitive design and precise controls. 6 quarts Elements and smart algorithms ensure even cooking by directing power precisely. Phase Cooking automates baking and broiling for perfect results without manual intervention. Super convection and super versatile. Get yours today.
Looking for the ultimate kitchen gadget that does it all? Introducing the Fullstar all-in-one vegetable chopper. And don't worry about safety. These stainless steel blades come with a finger guard and protective glove. With 5 interchangeable blades, this tool slices, grates, and chops with ease. Adjust the thickness of your slices effortlessly with the dial and switch out inserts for the perfect chop size. Cleanup is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe design and catch tray, making cooking mess-free. But that's not all. You also get a bonus handheld spiralizer, compact and easy to use. Plus, the non-slip face keeps everything stable while you work. Step up your kitchen with the Fullstar all-in-one vegetable chopper.
The infuser blender from BLACK+DECKER makes it easy to add delicious flavor to your water using a unique filter insert in your favorite fruits and veggies. The 900-watt Power Crush system delivers high performance to the 4-tip Quad Pro blade. This filter keeps all the seeds and pulp contained for fresh, flavorful water. For full-size blending in the 6-cup jar, simply remove the infuser filter. Use the included 18-ounce BPA-free personal blending jar to take drinks on the go. After blending, cleanup is a breeze. All removable parts are dishwasher safe. The BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Power Crush blending system. Infusion and blending, all in one.
Welcome to Keurig quality at our most welcoming price. Introducing the Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker. Enjoy the rich, full-flavored taste of your favorite brands and varieties. All fresh brewed in minutes at the touch of a button. Exceptional coffee, exceptionally affordable. Choose from hundreds of K-Cup pod varieties. Or brew your own ground coffee with the Keurig My K-Cup. Want a bolder brew? Use the strong button for a more intense coffee taste in your daily cup. And the modern, streamlined design makes a big impression in any kitchen. The Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker. It's everything you love about Keurig at one incredible price.
We believe cooking can be easy for everyone. That's why we designed the Chef IQ Smart Cooker, a quicker, better way to create elevated meals with a seamlessly integrated app and next-generation technologies. Chef IQ will guide you into the future of cooking. Discovering and creating delicious meals has never been easier or faster.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
With a growing library of integrated, guided cooking recipes, you can meal prep at the push of a button.
What's next?
It says rosemary and lemon.
Okay.
The smart cooker creates meals up to 70% quicker than traditional cooking methods with time-saving features like the built-in scale and auto pressure release. At Chef IQ, we're dedicated to helping you discover your inner chef from start to finish.
Hey!
Explore a better way to cook and enjoy more time with the people who matter most, while your smart cooker just keeps getting smarter.
Introducing the Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper Maker in a stylish aqua color. With its quick and easy operation, making hot and fresh popcorn has never been simpler. Just measure your kernels using the included measuring cup, add them to the heating chamber, and push the one-touch start button. In just minutes, you'll have 16 cups of delicious popcorn ready to enjoy. What's great about this popcorn maker is its healthier approach. Say goodbye to oil and added preservatives from microwave bags. This machine uses hot air to pop your kernels, making it perfect for parties, gatherings, or a cozy night in without the guilt. But that's not all. The included measuring cup also doubles as a butter melting tray. Simply add a tablespoon of butter while your popcorn pops and pour once melted for that authentic movie theater style taste. Compact and stylish, this popcorn maker is a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're in a first apartment, a college dorm, or traveling in your camper, this sleek machine will fit right in. And with easy cleanup and simple operation, it's no wonder customers love it. With high ratings for easy cleaning, ease of use, flavor, and value for money, the Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper Maker is the perfect addition to your kitchen. So why wait? Grab yours now and take your popcorn experience to the next level.
It's pretty straightforward, but it's exciting. 1 dehydrator, 5 stackable trays, a mesh screen, a fruit roll sheet, a recipe book, and other product info. A few or a lot of your favorite foods all go on the trays. Then you stack as many as you want. With only 4 buttons, the options aren't complicated. Just set the temperature, then set the time. Those are the basics: pears, strawberries, citrus. The process is mesmerizing and extremely satisfying. You might find it tempting to level up, especially once you find thick-cut bacon in the fridge, or some marinated meat that you'll pay your roommate back for. Once you've mastered that, there's no stopping you. For instance, can you really be satisfied with plain old ice cream when you can serve it with a beet powder garnish? Endless amazing possibilities. We're rooting for you, dehydrator connoisseur. Live life tastefully with COSORI.
That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for all updates.